Hi, I'm Kyle with Dcubed, and I'm here to introduce you to our latest release actuator, the Milli Release Nut. This unit can handle up to 18 kilonewtons of axial preload. It's a shape memory alloy-based release actuator with a 6082 T6 aluminum shell, a titanium shoulder, and a stainless steel nut. As with all of our actuators, it is fully redundant. So you have two SMA lines on the inside, as well as two sets of electrical wires coming out. You can get over 80 resets out of a single unit and still be in flight configuration. They're ultra low shock, and they only weigh 225 grams. So I'm going to show you how they work today. Unlike the rest of our line, these units are voltage driven, so they take a constant voltage anywhere between 24 and 32 volts. You'll need an M8 bolt going into the unit, and then you can mount it. As you see in this configuration, you have 6 mounting holes on top, as well as a shoulder that you can get a tight fit to ensure a good load path. You do need a minimum preload of 1 kilonewton. Our preferred method of achieving that is a stack of Belleville washers. You can also use a kick-out spring or another method of your choosing. So I'm going to go ahead and torque this unit, this bolt into this unit here, and we'll go ahead and fire it. All right, here we go. There we go. Be sure to turn the power off as soon as you fire it so you don't overheat your unit. You can see the nut from this unit, as opposed to some of our other units which have a singular groove, is actually slotted. So each of the balls on the inside locks it in place, and you can fully torque into the unit. And the reset is as simple as locking it back into place.